In this video tutorial, I'd like to take a look at the D and E minor scales, and particularly the D natural and E natural, as well as the D harmonic and E harmonic minor scale. First of all, before we write out the minor scale, let's just quickly recap what is the tonic triad for each of the keys. So I'm first going to work with the D minor, and I'm going to write out the tonic triad in the key of D minor. But before I can do that, I have to remember that the D minor scale has an accidental for a key signature. So D minor has a B flat as an accidental. So we need to remember that all B's will be flat. Right, we're first going to do the tonic triad in both the right and left hands. So here we have the tonic triad. We start on the first degree, the tonic, and then we go up and we do the third degree as well as the fifth degree. So that will be D, F, and A. And it's going to look similarly for the left hand, but we're going to start on D, F, and then A. So those are good starting points for the scales as well, is the D after middle C as well as the D just above or just after low C, or C below middle C. Writing out the scale, we're going to use crotchets. So I'm going to write out the scale ascending and descending. So for the right hand, the D natural minor scale will look like this. So it's going to be D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and then descending, starting on that one, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, and then ending on D. Now notice that I've used a minim note at the end. This must not be taken literally. We don't end with a minim note. It's just so that there is no rest in my bar because I'm using a digital platform. So when asked to write out the scale in minims, you're going to use minims all the way, or crotchets, you're going to use crotchets all the way. It's the same for semi-breves or any other kind of note value. Alright, we have to remember that when we do the D natural minor scale, we are not going to add any accidentals. We're not going to raise to the seventh degree because we have the B flat, so we know that all the B's will be flats already. And the natural minor scale is done. So ascending, descending, they will look the same. And similarly, it's going to look the same for the left hand as well. So there we have the scale written out, ascending then descending for the bass clef or the left hand, remembering that all B's, not just that line of B's, but all the B's in this piece, so that B there and that B there will then have flats, but we don't add any other notes. When we need to do the harmonic scale, we are just going to raise the seventh degree. So the only thing that will change is our seventh degree. So if we count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we will see that the seventh degree of the D minor scale is C. So we need to sharpen that C. So we're going to write a C sharp, remembering to write the C sharp for all C's, as you can see there. So ascending and descending, it will have that C sharp as well. So we have the B flat as well as the C sharp. Similarly for the left hand or the bass clef as well, we have the C sharp for both the ascending and descending. For E minor, we need to remember that the key signature for E minor has a sharp and it is F sharp. Remember, it shares with G major. So first we're going to write out the tonic triad of E minor, and that's going to be E as the tonic note, then G followed by B. And similarly for the left hand as well, or for the bass clef, E, G, and B. Now, when writing out the scale, I'm going to use my crotchets again. So we're going to start E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, coming down, starting on E, E, D, C, B, A, G, F sharp, and ending on E. It's going to look exactly the same for the bass clef, starting on E, where our tonic triad was written. That E is a good E to start with, and this is how it's going to look. Now remember, for the natural minor scale, we don't add any accidentals extra. We don't raise the 7th degree. It looks the same going up and down, and we only have those F sharps in both the treble and the bass clefs. Working with the harmonic minor scale, we need to remember to raise the 7th degree, and the 7th degree in E minor will be D, so it will be D sharp. So we are going to raise the D sharp, remembering to raise it for both the D sharp ascending and descending. Remember, you will probably only be writing out the scale ascending or descending, not both at the same time. So just remember, when we ascend a scale, we work from degrees 1 up until degrees 8. So the 7th degree will be at the top. But if we work descending, the 7th degree will be the second note written down because we are descending, starting at 8, going down to 1. Similarly for the bass clef, remembering that all D's are sharps, so there we will have a D sharp, and there we will have a D sharp as well. And that is the D harmonic and melodic minor scale. Remembering the biggest difference is that natural minor scale don't have any accidentals, nothing raised, nothing flattened, but for the harmonic minor scale, we always raise that 7th degree. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe to my channel and check out any other videos that might help you. Thanks for watching.